We've taken you for a ride on the Paiute and even the Gooseberry. But here in South Central Utah, there's more. A lot more. Join us for our 2018 trip, a 5-day, nearly 600-mile ride, including the Paiute ATV Trail, the Panguitch Trail, Casto Canyon, Hell's Backbone, the Great Western Trail, the Gooseberry, the Arapeen Trail System, 8 different ranger districts, and 3 different national forests. We start and end our adventure at the Rose Ranch Resort in Marysville, which is centrally located on the Paiute, and we can't recommend it enough. A full trip report is posted on our website, atvoverland.com. So come along for the ride, or for the views. This is Utah's trail country, and this is ATV Overland.